So what we're looking at here is the WLtoys D12, marketed as a 10th scale, a 1/10 scale. Definitely smaller in my opinion than that, but all around for 70 bucks, it's a great little truck. Really can't see much in here, kind of dark out, but it does have a semi decent cab to it. Definitely upgradable. They sell extra these. I believe these you can get the drive shafts and metal. Back here is where you put your battery, as you can see back there. Good suspension to it. Setting up front, you can see a lot of wheel travel. Does have headlights that do work. And you got a little rack that will just snap in back here for looks. There's no rear lighting to it, so we'll get it started up and get going. So we'll go over the controller real quick, so you can turn it on and off, turn your lights on and off. You got 2-speed transmission on this, and you are able to trim your wheels from the remote as well. Fits pretty good in your hands, feels good. Rubberized control here. Pretty proportional. I wouldn't call it full proportional, but you control it pretty good. All in all, not bad. 2 AA batteries. So that's what we got for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Pick you guys one up. Have a good day.